Hello students, today we are going to start 8th chapter of class 8th, comparing quantities. So start this chapter with some basic concepts, and in first exercise we will deal with ratio and percentage. So first topic, ratio. Now question is, what is ratio? So ratio is the relationship between two numbers which shows how much bigger one quantity is than another. Example is ratio of boys to the ratio of girls in the class. Suppose if in our class 20 boys and 15 girls are there, so ratio of the boys to the ratio of the girl is 20 upon 50. First we write the number that is mentioned before 2, and in the denominator portion we write the number that mentioned after 2. So before 2 here mentioned number of boys, and after 2 here mentioned number of girls. So we write it 20 upon 50, not 15 upon 20. If this statement is as ratio of girls to the boys, then we write 15 upon 20. Next topic is percentage. Percentage, it is a number or a ratio that represent a fraction of 100. It is denoted by the symbol percent. So percentage is the example of a ratio whose denominator is 100, and we can write this ratio as percentage like this. If we have 35 upon 100, then we can write it 35%. If we have 45 upon 100, then we can write it 45%. If we have 29 upon 100, then we can write it 29%. Now start our first exercise 8.1, and first question of exercise 8.1 is find the ratio of the following, and part 1 is speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 30 km per hour. So in this question, number appear before 2 is 15 km per hour and number appear after 2 is 30 km per hour. So in the numerator portion we write 15 km per hour, and in the denominator portion we write 30 km per hour. It means first we write speed of cycle divided by speed of scooter. After simplify this question, this fraction, we have 1 by 2. So our answer is 1:2. Now move to our second part, and second part of the question is 5 meter to 100 kilometer. In this question, quantity of unit of both the quantities are different. Before 2 it gives 5 meter, and after 2 it gives 10 kilometer. First we equate both the units. For this we convert kilometer to meter, and we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So we multiply 10 by 1000 and we have 10,000 meter. As we all know, in the ratio, first we write number appear before 2, and in the denominator portion we write number appear after 2. So first we write 5 meter divided by 10 kilometer. After this we write 5 meter divided by 10,000 meter. After simplify this fraction, we have 1 upon 2000, and we can write it 1:2000. In this way you can solve third part of this question. In this question, first you convert rupees into paisa, then you can easily find out the ratio of 50 paisa to rupees 5. Now move to our next question. Our next question is convert the following ratios to the percentage. For converting ratios to percentage, we simply multiply our ratio by 100. In first part we have 3:4, and we can write this ratio in the fraction form like this. We write it 3 divided by 4, and for converting this ratio into percentage, we multiply this term by 100, and after solving this question we have 4 3 multiplied by 25, and our answer is 75%. In this way you can solve B part of this question. In this question, first you write 2:3 as 2 divided by 3, and then you multiply this fraction by 100, and after solving you get your result. Now move to our third question, and our third question is 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? In this question, first we write number of students that good in mathematics are 72%, and we have to find out the number of students that are not good in mathematics. For this we subtract number of students that good in mathematics by 100, and we have 28% students that are not good in mathematics. Move to our next question. Our next question is, a football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? In this question, first we write number of matches team won, and it is 10. Win percent is 40%, and we suppose that total number of matches team played is X. So now 40%, it means win percent of total matches is 10. So we can write here 40% of X is 10. Now solve this question. 40% means 40 divided by 100. It is mentioned earlier that we can write 40% as 40 upon 100, and we can write 40 upon 100 as 40%. So first we simplify this term, and it is 40 upon 100. Now of means multiply, X as it is, equal as it is, 10 as it is. 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and we have 2 upon 5 of X is equal to 10. Now shift all the numbers from the left side to the right side. We have 5 in the division, and when we transfer this number to the left side, it multiply by 10, and we have 2 in the multiplication, and when we shift this number in the right side, now we have 2 5 is 10 and 5 5s are 25. So total number of matches be 25. Our next question is, if Chameli had ₹600 left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So in this question, first we write money left ₹600. Spending is 75%, and she saves is 100 minus 75, 25%. Now we suppose that money she have in the beginning is ₹X. It is mentioned in the question that money left with her is ₹600, and in percentage she saves 25% of her money. So 25% of total money is equivalent to the money left with her. So we can write this statement like this: 25% of X is equal to 600. Now we are going to solve this question. We write 25%, 25 upon 100, of means multiplication, x as it is, equal as it is, 600 as it is. Now first we simplify 25 upon 100, and after simplification it is 1 upon 4. Now we have 1 upon 4 of x is equal to 600. Now transfer all the numbers from the left side to the right side, and we have 600 multiplied by 4. So money C have in the beginning is 24. It means rupees 2400. Move to our last question. Our last question is, if 60% people in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? If the total number of people like are 50 lakh, find exact number who like each type of game. So students, it is given in the question that number of people who like cricket is 60%, number of people who like football is 30%. So number of people who like other game is 100 minus 60 plus 30. First we add the number of people who like cricket and football, then we subtract this number by 100, and we have 10% of the people who like other games. Now number of people who like cricket. For find out the exact number of people who like cricket, for this we find out the 60% of the total population means 50 lakh. So we write here 60% of 50 lakh. Then we can write this number as 60% means 60 upon 100 of means multiplication, and 50 lakh as it is. And after solving this question, we have 30 lakh people in the city who like cricket. In this way we can find out the exact number of people who like football. For this we know that number of people who like footballs are 30% people, and 30% of 50 lakh is 15 lakh. Now we can find out the number of people who like other games, and we know that number of people who like other games is 10%. So 10% of 50 lakh is 5 lakh.